Replacement universal rear anchor tie-down. Compatible with 1973 to 2011 S10, S15, Chevy, GMC Canyon Colorado 2013 and earlier Ford Ranger 1989 to 2018 Toyota. Only with campers under 1,500 pounds. Except Tundra. 1989 to 2008 Isuzu 1994 to 2008 Mazda 1998 to 2018 Nissan. Only with campers under 1,500 pounds. Provides maximum strength and eliminate leverage. Includes a removable rear tie-down coupler, rotates to direction of pull. Lippert supplies universal fit rear anchor tie-down replacements for your HappiJac truck camper tie-down system. Includes a removable rear tie-down coupler, rotates to direction of pull, eliminating undesirable torque. HappiJac camper anchor tie-downs won't bend, twist or fail. Our HappiJac tie-down kits combine frame strength and sound engineering principles to create an I-beam truss structure that makes your camper an integral part of the truck, providing unsurpassed strength and security. Its direct-to-frame mount is strong and easy to use, compatible with 1973 to 2011 S10, S15, Chevy, GMC Canyon Colorado 2013 and earlier Ford Ranger 1989 to 2018 Toyota. Only with campers under 1,500 pounds. Except Tundra. 1989 to 2008 Isuzu 1994 to 2008 Mazda 1998 to 2018 Nissan. Only with campers under 1,500 pounds. Note. With the exception of the CA-FD4 CA-FD7, the older style CA prefix camper tie-downs listed below do not contain a frame mount component and were designed for use on older trucks or with campers under 2,500 pounds. Of dry weight. Whenever possible, an FT prefix model tie-down set is the best option and must be used on extended or crew cab trucks or campers over 2,500 pounds. Of dry weight. For more than 50 years, HappiJac has been producing high-quality products for the RV industry. HappiJac conducts extensive research and testing to develop quality products backed by sound engineering. HappiJac leads the industry in fully upgradable camper jacks, space-efficient room slides and the only camper tie-down system that effectively controls camper movement in all directions. From bed lifts and slide-outs to tie-downs, jacks and toolboxes, we have the solution for your RV needs. Whether you're on the road or on the water, Lippert supplies a broad array of premium RV, towing and marine products designed to enhance all of your recreational pursuits. Our team is committed to always thinking about your next journey, pushing the possibilities of our products and services, all to better your time spent outdoors, whenever, wherever, for years to come. Top reviews from the United States. Camper tie-down. The tie-downs were easy to install and held my truck camper steady for 550-mile trip. I am happy with the look and finish.